Hello guys, I am N. Krishna. Today we shall learn about the bases. You might have heard that people suffering from acidic problem, suffering from stomach burning, take antacid. What do you mean by antacid? Antacid means the substance that compensate or reduce the activity of acid or which oppose the acidic action. Then what is a base? What is the test of it? It may come your mind. So all antacids possess bases. In the previous class, we have discussed that acid is sure in test. Then what is the test of a base? What may be the test of a base? So in order to know it, we shall do a just small experiment. In our home, you take a little bit of baking soda. You ask your mommy to get baking soda, or it is also known as eating soda, and put it in your tongue, just a little in your tongue, or just take a little of, very little of detergent powder, washing powder, and put it in your tongue and try to feel it taste. Dear student, remember, don't swallow the detergent powder. After feeling the taste, spit it out. Baking soda or detergent powder is a base. Now I hope you might have known the taste of base. Bases are bitter in taste. Okay. Now we shall do another experiment in our home. Take a little of detergent powder and a little of water in your palm and rub it. How do you feel? Definitely you will feel soapy or slippery in your hand. Now clean your hand properly. What do I conclude here? We feel soapy or slippery on touching a base. Okay. So we may conclude here, any substance which is bitter in taste and feel soapy or slippery on touching is a base. We may say that such substance is basic in nature, since strong acids or strong bases may cause damage to your skin. You should not hold it directly. So how we identify a base without touching or tasting in our tongue? One of the simpler tests is your litmus paper test. I have told you in the previous class there are two types of litmus paper. One is your red litmus paper, another is your blue litmus paper. So here do the litmus test. How can you do it? Take a cup or a tumbler that is available in your home and put here the detergent powder and a little of water and stir it with a rod. Detergent powder Put here some water and stir it with the help of a spoon or a stick. Now dip blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. And what do you observe here? Here you will observe blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper. The color of blue litmus paper remain unchanged. Whereas when you will dip red litmus paper, red litmus will change to blue. So what you may conclude here? Bases turn red litmus paper blue. Bases turn red litmus to blue. So what we may conclude here? Any substance which is bitter in taste and feel soapy or slippery on touching and which turns red litmus paper to blue is a base. Now just I am recalling your memory. Acid turns red litmus paper, blue litmus paper to red, and base turn red litmus paper to blue. Now here I am giving you list of some basic substances that we are using in our everyday life. Your bathing soap contains base, detergent cake, detergent powder, shampoo, toothpaste, shaving cream, chewing gum, baking soda, lime water, ash of burnt wood, milk of magnesia, lubricating grease, drain cleaner, alkaline batteries. All these are the substances that we are using in our daily life. They contain base. Now I am giving you the list of some common bases and generally found in here. Calcium hydroxide found in lime water, ammonium hydroxide found in window cleaner, sodium hydroxide found in baking soda, soap, detergent powder, etc. Potassium hydroxide found in soap, detergent powder, etc. Magnesium hydroxide found in milk of magnesia, your antacid that you are using. Aluminum hydroxide found in toothpaste or antacid. So here you observe, the student, substances ending with the suffix hydroxide is a base. Calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, all these are bases. So today's summary is what we have learned here. Bases are bitter in taste. We feel soapy or slippery on touching a base. Any substance which is bitter in taste and feel soapy or slippery on touching is a base. Acidic substances turn blue litmus to red, but basic substances turn red litmus to blue. Any substance which is bitter in taste, feels soapy or slippery on touching, and which turns red litmus paper to blue is a base. Dear student, to get more and more such type of video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And you may see the description box given here. I have given in your link the total list and the summary. Thank you all.